Hey guys, welcome back. Today is 21st of June 2024. It's like 6 days to my birthday. However, I noticed something from the last video I did. I noticed that the audio was so bad. I don't know why I've not taken my time to fix the audio and fix whatever it is. Meanwhile, I have quality sound here in my house. I have a very good condenser mic. I just don't know how to set it. I tried setting it now. I think this is amazing right now. This is good. This is good. But I would like to hear feedbacks from you if there are something that you noticed and you would like me to work on concerning the sound. So let's get back into the market and see what the market is doing right about now. Earlier today or earlier yesterday, I gave you people all my setups that I planned on entering if the market went in my favor. Now we are going to talk about what the market has been doing and where the market is and what are the current opportunities for us to make money in the market today. Remember, it's not about money, it's about it's about playing the game. It's about following your principles. It's about following your systems. It's not about money. So for me, I'm about my system. That's all I'm about. And my system is already allowing me to mark out my support and resistance zones, to mark out places that I think that price is more highly like to make movements and change directions. And that's what my system is. Set your support and your resistance. After you do that, you watch market structure. Remember, market structure is the main guide. Market structure will tell you all you need to know about what is going on in the market. Then I also have my EMA bands. The EMA bands are this red bands and this green bands. This red bands and this green bands. I'll show you this green bands, and this red bands. This red bands, I'll make this red bands. Or I'll make this red bands here. So those are my EMA bands. They act as extra confirmation to my trade before I take the trades. But right now, we are now going back into the market. Before I take trades, what has the market been doing throughout this period? It has been on a downtrend on a 4 hour time frame. You can see it from this day. That is when Bitcoin fell off first on the 8th of on the 7th of June. And from the 7th of June, we have gone down pretty deep. So, even a very simple formula is that if you have the EMA bands, whenever the EMA bands turn red, you just sell, and you you change it back whenever they turn green. You buy back when they turn green. When they are red, you sell. When they are green, you buy. If you look at it, if you can back test all of this and see if it's going to give you a positive expectant value, maybe a positive EV. So, like we're saying, what has Bitcoin been doing inside this range? Remember, I told you people about range in previous videos. If you have not seen them, you can go back and trace them. But my videos are just me trying to find setups and trade lives. I don't intend to educate you, but if you find this educative, it's very nice that you think of it that way. Well, this is a range. What are we not doing? We are not buying at we are not buying at premium. We can't be buying at premium. Guess what? We can be buying at premium. This is premium and this is discount. And from here to here is 50%, and here to here is 50%. What do? We buy at discount We buy at discount and we sell at premium. That's exactly what we do in ranges. Whenever the market is ranging, we are only buying at premium. And we're only buying at discount and we're only selling at premium. Right now, we have been waiting for the market to come down into the discount zone so that we can buy some more. It's more happier to see Bitcoin down than to see it up. I like to see it down so it gives people the opportunity to get back into the market. Because right now, we are now looking for from the higher time frame, let's go to the 12-hour time frame or the daily time frame. You understand what I mean? You can see that price has been doing something very, very, very easy during this range. It went up, broke down, it didn't break structure, it went up again. Now it broke structure because we expect it to do a higher high, higher than this, but it didn't. Now it breaks structure and tells you, my guy, I'm about to sell because I'm at range high. It goes back up again to retest, and boom, we are seeing a big fall. You can bring it down here, and here, all these stoppages are previous stops that you can just trade. You trade shorts here and trade buy here if you are very good like that. But that's what we are aiming for in this place, in this space. That's what we're aiming for to catch as much moves as we can. So we see Bitcoin going down. Now it breaks structure again. What structure is it breaking? This structure, there's a structure here, this structure here, this particular structure. You see, price has closed higher than this structure. So it's telling you, oh my God, it's time to buy. And we're in the discount zone. Guess what? If you bought from this place down to the top, it's an amazing money you would have made. You can make life changing money. I hope to make life changing money. I hope so. Soonest. I'm next in line. But you see. So now we went straight back to the top. This is premium zone. What do we do in premium? We sell in premium. We see Bitcoin coming down again, still in premium. Same thing it did here, came down again. Now we are seeing it come down one more time. I still believe that Bitcoin is not going to make a higher low, but that might be very confusing of me to think that Bitcoin is saying it's going to be very cynical of me to say it's coming this way and it's going to stop here and bounce off. Yes, it might be making a new higher high or maybe a new higher low. But what I'm seeing here is a complete break in market structure forming a range. I truly see a complete break in market structure that's forming a range that's indicating a big sell. Everybody's already keeping this daily fair value gap and hoping that Bitcoin is going to come down to this place one day and we can all buy up, or we can. My trades are set at this point, anyways. I expect it to have a reaction here, but I don't expect it to all go up like this and say, like everybody's planning and saying Bitcoin is going to stop here. People feel and they tend to read what everybody thinks. Everybody's saying that, oh, the bottom is in, the bottom but meanwhile the price is saying I'm just beginning to sell. This might this might not be a chase for the highs or a chase to break off this range. It might not be. It might be a whole total change in market structure, where we can see price come down to this place, retraces up here, still can't go up, comes down, maybe even breaking this range and tracing it down a little. It can happen. All these things are parts that we must think and take actions accordingly. It can also happen that it comes down from here. What's this? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. That's not what I want, bro. That's not what I want. But you understand. So there's also a possibility. I don't want to delete this whole stuff. That It also goes up from here, comes down and touch this gap. We see another movement, comes down again, touch this, and we see a new movement. Maybe it breaks back to the highs, or maybe it comes down again. It comes down, bam, again, and now we chase the high from here. It can happen. I don't know. I've set my whole system in place so that whatever price does, I'm just there to benefit, man. I want to only benefit from this thing. This is taking money from people, and it's our turn to make money from the market. It's our turn. We are just next in line. Next in line. We will make enough of it. So I'm looking forward to this point. This point. I told you that we're going to have a reaction here, and we did have a reaction here. We also had a reaction at this point here. If we go down to like maybe the 4 hour time frame, I'm out of time. If you go down to the 4 hour time frame, you will see what I'm trying to say. Even if that we didn't pick up this trade, I delete this. You see that price came and formed a small range here. And even if that we didn't we didn't pick up this trade because the price didn't ever come back to this level. Price did not ever come back to this level. It just stopped here. But if we're active on this trade, we should have taken it. Unfortunately, we did not take it. Now we have another one in our nose. I've seen that this one might be breaking structure right now. Are we still on bar replay? Okay. This might be breaking structure here. We don't know, but we still expect it to go and come down this way to touch this guy so I can ride it a little bit higher. Nobody knows because we're already seeing a complete structure downward downtrend. It's just going up. You can see it going pam pam down again, higher low or lower low. Now it makes a new lower low, higher low, lower low again, higher low, a new lower low, higher low, a new lower low. You can see how arranged this system is, just taking us down, down, down. So trying to find the bottom here can be the killer of your joy. Just trade support and resistance, short trades, pam, 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 scale in, scale out, pam, 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 scale in, scale out, pam, pam, pam. That's how they do it, pam, pam, pam. Very serious. That's it. So these are the trades I am looking forward to today. So these are the trades I'm looking forward to, and I hope that if price breaks structure here, I look towards riding it down to this high here, and if it ever comes down this up to this place, then I might be riding it down again. I don't know. So if it comes down up here again, we ride it down. If it comes down, we ride it up. Wherever it goes, we are there, hoping for market structure breaks. Hoping for market structure breaks. This is what I think about Bitcoin, and this is what we are going to be looking out for the following week. Happy weekends, guys. I believe Bitcoin doesn't move that much on weekend days. Okay, see you. Bye.